nice pants.
Here's something you don't really see in my area. It's got a dealer plate on it. So I'm riding solo today, boys and girls, and the reason for that is because the life of the tires on my machine here have pretty much expired, and I have a track day next weekend. So I got some new Pirelli Diablo Rosso 3s that's currently on this bike now, and I like them so much between the performance and actually surprisingly the longevity that I got out of them that I had to order them again. So I am on my way to drop this puppy off so they can be installed. But yes, you heard me right. Kayla and I did our first track day back in May, and now we have another track day. It's gonna be the weekend of August 11th and 12th. And I'm gonna have my cousin Rye with us this time. And I'll link the video to my last track day in the description down below. But if you didn't catch that video, our first track day back in May got pretty heavily rained on, and it looks like we're going to again this weekend. But I'm super excited to have a fresh set of Rosso 3s for the track. Because not only for the track, but Kayla and I are going back to Tennessee like a month after our track day. So it's gonna be a good thing to have a fresh set of rubbers. Good thing about having a motorcycle. So I mean, it's definitely not legal to do in New York, but I'm not doing it at highway speeds. I'm mostly just doing it at like stoplights because, you know, one thing that I don't want to worry about is being crashed into from behind, and that pretty much eliminates that worry at least. So it's one less thing out of the billion things that I have to worry about being on a motorcycle. I guess we'll pick this up when I have the new tires on it, so. And just like that, thanks to post-production, I've got a set of brand new Pirelli Rosso tires on this bad boy. And if you're wondering why the audio quality is a little bit different, it's because I got Rye with me. So earlier in this video, I was using my external microphone that plugs directly into the GoPro, and now I'm using the Senna and the Senna backpack, which for some reason always like muffles the audio quality. So that's my explanation.
Track day tomorrow.
Yeah, dude. A lot of things happening, man. Like new tires for the track, and if you couldn't tell, John.com got a new helmet. It is the Bell Qualifier Deluxe model with MIPS. I did an unboxing video that I have not put up yet, and I'm going to give it some time before I actually give you guys a comprehensive, in-depth review of this helmet. I want to get some seat time with it to let you know exactly how I feel about it. I can tell you right now that it's definitely noisy. It is noisy for sure, above 50.
Is it pretty comfortable though?
Yeah, it's nice and comfy.
Light?
Yep, very light. I think it's like 3.5 pounds.
How is it compared to the variant? Like weight wise?
I would say it's probably a little bit lighter. So for the past 2.5 years, I've been riding with the Icon variant with a dark smoke shield. And the shield that I have on this helmet is a transitional shield. It's a photochromatic shield, meaning it gets dark in the daytime and it's clear at nighttime, so I don't have to carry two shields. I don't have to carry sunglasses. I don't have to carry riding goggles. And I can tell you right now that it definitely is not as dark as the dark smoke, but it's very cool that it does transition. Well, like I said, all that's coming with a comprehensive review. We'll talk about it later.
Tires are shiny.
Mine? Yeah, speaking of which, what we're doing now is, because I got brand new tires on this, we're pretty much riding to ride off the new, pretty much, because track day is tomorrow as of recording this video.
Which is supposed to rain again.
Yes. It's so irritating.
I feel worse for you, dude, because, like, twice you've gotten fucking rained on.
Yeah. As long as it's not like last time was freaking brutal, man. All right, so what better place to rub off the new on our tires, locally anyway, than the Ilion Gorge. Oh my God, it leans so nice right now, dude. How's the wind noise?
Not bad, actually.
Good, good.
Do you hear more wind noise, like, in the helmet?
Oh yeah, for sure. It's not like deafening, but it's definitely present for sure. All right, here we go. Wind noise. really not bad. I mean, yes, it's worse than variant, but I was having reservations about this helmet, like with the wind noise, but it's really not that bad.
I didn't notice anything on my end.
It's 100% noticeably more louder than the variant. But like I said, it's not like a burden. Even at 110, dude. All right, so anyway, boys and girls, be on the lookout for some new videos between the unboxing of this helmet, the comprehensive review of it, track day, and let's not forget the rest of the Tennessee footage. So, as always, guys, thanks for watching for Guy Balls and this huge-ass trailer right here to bring our bike to the track. I am John.com, and I'll see you next Monday. Later.
Nice meme.